Suzuki DL1000 v-strom. Best motorcycle review. Easy to ride with great mid-range punch, 2014 to 2016. The Suzuki v-strom 1000 is never going to electrify you with thrills. It's not breathtakingly quick, but it is easy to ride and manageable, delivering loads of low and mid-range grunt. You can throw it around with confidence, and it's backed up by excellent traction control and ABS. It's also comfortable, natural, frugal and simple, yet still has neat touches like an adjustable ratchet screen and panniers incorporated into the design. It's distinctive, looks good, there's a comprehensive list of accessories, and it's cheap. This bike followed the 2002 Suzuki v-strom 1000. In 2020 it was replaced by the Suzuki v-strom 1050. Ride quality and brakes. The Suzuki v-strom 1000's riding position is roomy and natural, the bars high and wide without forcing the rider to overstretch, and the brilliantly simple screen easy to adjust on the move. As you'd expect from a bike with a 19-inch front wheel, the steering isn't razor sharp, but it flows nicely in and out of corners, helped by a 150-section tire that makes it easier to turn. The suspension control is surprisingly sophisticated, too. The front neither dives dramatically on the brakes nor wallows, and the radial brakes are a big step up from the old v-strom, strong and progressive. Engine. The engine lazily wakes up rather than barking into life. It's hard to believe there's an old fire-breathing TL1000S in there somewhere. The hydraulic clutch is light, the gearbox typically smooth for Suzuki, and with minimum throttle it's easy to pull away to negotiate tiny city streets. It feels instantly like a true v-strom, and very quickly you realize there is no point in revving it too hard. It will go to just over 9,000 RPM, but its really last orders at 8,000 RPM. Most of the grunt is delivered from 4,000 to 6,000 RPM, which makes the ride effortless. Reliability and build quality. The old v-strom was a solid performer, but sometimes build quality was an issue. It looks as if Suzuki have addressed this on the new Suzuki v-strom 1000 and were not aware of any issues. MCN web producer Liam Marsden covered over 17,000 miles on a Suzuki v-strom 1000 in 2014 and didn't have a single issue. Our Suzuki v-strom 1000 owners' reviews show mixed results. Some love their bikes, while others complain about corrosion, build quality and electrical issues. Value versus rivals. The Suzuki v-strom 1000 was under £10,000 when it was introduced in 2014, which was amazing value for such a capable bike. Equipment. Considering the budget price, having ABS and traction control as standard is impressive. The traction control has 2 levels and can be switched off entirely if you so wish. There's also a 12V socket under the clocks. It might not be the most advanced adventure bike, but it does everything you need, and it does it without fuss. Specs. Engine size 1037 cubic centimeters. Engine type 4-stroke, liquid-cooled DOHC, 8V V-twin. Frame type aluminium twin spar. Fuel capacity 20 liters. Seat height 850 millimeters. Bike weight 228 kilograms. Front suspension 43 mm inverted forks, fully adjustable. Rear suspension rear shock, adjustable preload and rebound. Front brake 2 x 310 mm discs. 4-piston radial calipers. ABS. Rear brake 1 x 265 mm disc, 2-piston caliper. ABS. Front tire size 110/80 ZR19. Rear tire size 150/70 ZR17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 41 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £250. New price. Used price £4,800 to £6,200. Insurance group. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 100 brake horsepower. Max torque 75 ft-lb. Top speed 140 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration. Tank range 182 miles.